Today we're going to be installing some rock lights, and I had a bunch of these LED strips laying around, so I designed up this little housing for it and 3D printed it, and I just drew something up real quick in SolidWorks, and then on the Can-Am it's printed out of a nylon carbon fiber. After I got done with mine, Zoe decided she wanted some on hers. Hers are just printed out of PLA. We're getting ready to install hers now. I already did the Can-Am. I just got them mounted right up in there, and I gotta do some cable management still, but they make it real easy to run wires. On these X3s, you can just snip that zip tie on there and it runs them right up under here, and you can just run it through the center console. And I have a fuse box mounted under that seat there, just up through there. I got them mounted in the rear up here. They're pretty bright for only being 3 LEDs. I'm gonna add a couple more though. I'm also gonna hook the whips into the same switch so they should all synchronize. But I gotta install a fuse box on hers right now, which I got right here, and then run the wires for her lights. When I do these LED projects too, these are the splitters I use. It's a 1 to 8, and then these are the LED controllers I use. I'll put a link to the Amazon in the description. But they seem to work real good. Just finished up getting the rock lights installed. And they're hard to see right now, but there's one of them. Whips are all synced. We also got Zoe's installed. And her controller isn't working, so she can't change the pattern, so it's just gonna be strobing purple for now. I gotta pick up some more solder so I can fix her light bar. She's got a little fuse box back there now. And yeah, we'll come back and see what it looks like at night. Alright, I thought I filmed this last night, but the video wasn't there. But here we are at night. Got everything all hooked up, synced up, looking good. They're not the brightest, but for some spare parts and a little bit of 3D printing, they're not too bad. Her controller is broken, so it's stuck on this strobing purple, but she'll like it. It's still pretty cool. Okay. But we're just getting ready to load up. We're heading out to Mid-America for Memorial Day, and it should be a lot of fun. There'll be a lot going on. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.